Florida rap group, The District, is catching some heat for their hit song, Bust That Neck. Is this too derogatory towards women?
I don't like it. I don't like it one bit.
So get this! One of their names is Arab Mike. Is that supposed to be a shot towards Muslims?
Whoa, wait.
I don't wanna hear it!
I don't give a fuck what they say about me. Why these motherfuckers always hating on me? It's the same plain Janes, never move the fucking page. They ain't ready for the stage.
Dive into the witchery, the sorcery and mastery. Quit now to see a clear path of plain misery. Push the way, leave the strain. Fuck what they say. It's the Darwin way, per se. Fuck it, disobey. Collect it, reject it, get in, dissected. Accept it, reject it, nonetheless eject it from your fears. What's held near down to your gears. We're in the age of the light year, the fucking frontier.
Hop on board, view the tour with the horde. My hoes hold the door like hold door. I'm bored, bro. The Lord of Gore with the sword while I snore to explore the dreams of the whores in the war, the smorgasbord. Always hazy, went from dandies and daisies to on my knees in a place where only the apocalypse can save me. The light fades, can barely see me. A gator in the glades, kill them when they sleeping. The light fades, the best days turn to dark days. Heart breaks, then it all changed.
Drugs got me going crazy.
Girl, your body's so amazing. Can't seem to fight the feeling, concealing my thoughts from these robots who do what they're taught. Stuck in the box, manage the clock,
Say about me. Why these motherfuckers always hating on me? It's the same plain Janes, never move the fucking page. They ain't ready for the stage, they ain't ready for the wave again. Go and tell a friend we'll be back when it's time to save the game again.
I don't need to talk about it, let the music speak for itself. I bend the words like nobody else. Hell, I think it's time to rebel. I think it's time we excel. I think it's time we shred the cards we were dealt. Let's not dwell on the past. When's the last time you looked at yourself in the mirror? Yeah, I know it's hard to look at yourself, trying to change something about you that you couldn't help. Why you worry about what other people saying? When it's all said and done, you the only one to blame. Fuck 'em, fuck 'em.
Don't get the door, oh my lord. See some spooky dangs in the corridor. Look, the Lord of Gore. Fuck around, make that booty bounce for 100 rounds. She's about to drown the town, the way it's flowing down. No. All things come to an end. You can't live your life again. You better run it, run it. Fades, can barely see me. A gator in the glades, kill them when they sleeping.
The light fades, the best days turn to dark days. Heart breaks, then it all changed. The light fades, the best days turn to dark days. Heart breaks, then it all changed. Drugs got me going crazy.
Girl, your body's so amazing.
Can't seem to fight the feeling, concealing my thoughts from these robots who do what they're taught. Stuck in the box, manage the clock.